You've tried the dopamine detox. You deleted the apps, put the phone in the drawer. And you stared at the wall for 24 hours. And it failed. Not because you lacked discipline, but because you tried to fix the brain, while keeping the same identity that broke it.
Modern neuroscience calls this the identity loop. You use the prefrontal cortex to regulate a system, hijacked at the level of the striatum. In 2026, your dopamine is no longer yours. It is a commodity traded on a digital exchange.
The result, you are a high-functioning casualty. Successful on paper, but a ghost in your own life. To reclaim the throne, you don't need a break. You need an annihilation.
In 1095, Al-Ghazali was the most famous scholar. He was the intellectual titan of Baghdad. He had everything: prestige, power, and a mind. Then one morning, he couldn't speak. The words were in his head, but his throat was locked. His ego had become so heavy it physically choked him. He realized his success was just slavery. So he walked away. He became a beggar. Not detoxing, but dying to his old self.
What Ghazali called the wilderness, we call phasic inhibition. He forced his brain to move from phasic spikes back to tonic stability, the calm baseline of the sovereign.
Here is the 2026 Ego Death Protocol. Valley 1, the Valley of Search. For 48 hours, you consume zero information. Valley 2, the Valley of Love. You detach from the main character's story. You become a ghost. Valleys 3 through 6, knowledge, detachment, unity, wonder. You strip every layer of meaning from the digital noise. You are no longer looking for answers. You are becoming the answer. Valleys 3 through 6, knowledge, detachment, unity, wonder. You strip every layer of meaning from the digital noise. You are no longer looking for answers. You are becoming the answer.
By the 7th valley, annihilation, the you is dead. The one that craved the scroll is gone. In that cold vacuum, the sovereign sage is born. This is where tonic stability becomes your default state. You no longer chase the spike. You are the source.
This isn't a 2-minute hack, it's a strategic rebirth. Stop being an asset for the algorithm to harvest. Become the architect of your own attention. The full Ego Death Protocol is in the description. Run the protocol, reclaim the throne,